Did you know that 57% of adults in the world's richest economies cannot afford a $1,000 emergency expense without borrowing money? Everyone tells you to start investing early and buy the S&P 500. But what if I told you that investing without a safety net is like driving a Ferrari at 200 miles per hour without brakes? In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the Fortress strategy. It is the exact method used by the ultra-wealthy to stay rich even when the economy collapses. If you skip this step, one bad day could wipe out years of your hard work. Let's begin.
Welcome back. The problem we all face isn't that we don't want to save, it's that savings feel boring. Inflation is high, and keeping cash feels like losing money. So you throw your cash into crypto or stocks, hoping for a moonshot. But that is not a strategy. That is gambling. Today, we are building the financial bunker blueprint. This map has 3 levels: the baby fund, the full fortress, and the high-yield defense. If you miss the third part regarding where to keep this money, you are indeed losing value. Stay until the end for a 24-hour challenge that will give you instant peace of mind.
Let's start with Level 1, Murphy's Law. It states anything that can go wrong will go wrong. And in finance, it usually goes wrong at the worst possible time. Imagine this. You put all your money into the stock market. Suddenly, you lose your job. The market crashes the same week. Now you are forced to sell your stocks at a 40% loss just to buy food. This is called financial fragility. An emergency fund isn't an investment. It is insurance against your own bad luck. It buys you the privilege of not selling your assets when they're down.
But wait a moment. Here is the trap. 90% of financial gurus tell you cash is trash. They say inflation eats cash, so you should invest every penny. This is logically true, but psychologically fatal. The return on an emergency fund is not the 4% interest you get from the bank. The return is the panic you avoid. And before we calculate exactly how much you need, if you are part of the 1% who values stability over hype, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. We're building a community of rational investors, not gamblers. Join us. So instead of seeing cash as trash, see it as oxygen. You don't notice it until it's gone. Now let's build the system. How much do you really need? Step 1, the starter fund. Before you pay off debt or invest, save $1,000 or 1 month of expenses. This stops the bleeding. Step 2, the calculation. Calculate your bare-bones expenses, rent, food, utilities only. Multiply that by 3 if you are single and stable job, or by 6 if you have a family and variable income. Step 3, the location. Do not put this under your mattress. Put it in a high-yield savings account, HYSA. It is liquid, safe, and pays you 4 to 5% interest, beating inflation. It must be separate from your checking account. Out of sight, out of mind. The final enemy is lifestyle creep. As you earn more, your emergency fund must grow too. But many people treat this fund as a wish fund. They use it for a vacation or a new iPhone. No. An emergency is a hospital visit, a car wreck, or job loss. If you use it for a sale at the mall, you are robbing your future self of security. You must build a psychological wall around this money. So stop investing until you are safe. Build your fortress first. Here is your 24-hour challenge. If you don't have a high-yield savings account, open one today. It takes 10 minutes online. Name the account Freedom Fund and transfer just $50 into it. Start the habit. Write Fortress Started in the comments if you accept. Finally, if this video gave you a new perspective, hit the like button to help us spread financial safety. Share this with a friend who is taking too many risks. See you at the top. Peace.